Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pancakes. Start with the dry ingredients. In a large bowl, combine 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a ½ teaspoon of salt. Whisk these ingredients together until they are fully incorporated. This ensures an even distribution of leavening agents, which is crucial for fluffy pancakes. This simple step sets the foundation for delicious results. Now let's prepare the wet ingredients. In a separate medium bowl, whisk 1 large egg until it's light and frothy. Then, add 1 cup of milk and 2 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. Stir these wet ingredients together gently until they are just combined. Avoid overmixing at this stage to ensure a tender pancake texture. This combination will bring moisture and richness to your batter. It's time to bring it all together. Pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Stir gently until just combined. A few small lumps are perfectly fine. Overmixing develops gluten, leading to tough pancakes. Heat a lightly oiled griddle or non-stick pan over medium heat. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter per pancake onto the hot surface, leaving space between each. Cook your pancakes for about 2 to 3 minutes on the first side, until you see bubbles forming on the surface and the edges look set. This is your cue to flip. Carefully turn each pancake over and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes, or until golden brown and cooked through. Serve your warm, fluffy pancakes immediately with maple syrup, fresh fruit, or any topping you desire. Enjoy your perfect homemade breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.